In today's video, you will learn to treat pain and inflammation with pineapple and cucumber juice. Besides being tasty, pineapple can be used to make detox juices and smoothies. This is because pineapple contains bromelain, a substance that balances the alkaline and acid levels in the stomach. Also, when combined with yogurt or milk, it helps restore and balance the bacterial flora of the gastrointestinal tract. However, you can combine pineapple with other ingredients with a strong detox power, like cucumber, to get even better results. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Cucumber has good levels of silica that clean the liver and intestine and remove the excess of uric acid, being a good option for anyone who has gout. So combining pineapple and cucumber can reduce inflammation and increase blood pH levels, making it more alkaline. Write down the ingredients: 2 cloves, 2 pineapple slices, 1 ginger slice, 1/2 Japanese cucumber, 1/2 glass of water. Making it is easy. Combine all ingredients in a blender, blend, and drink right away. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.